How you doing, folks? This is Ross Custom Muscle Cars. Today we're checking out a very nice 66 Buick Skylark Convertible, done in its original white with the burgundy interior and a white convertible top. Gorgeous, gorgeous car. Shows 50,000 miles, supposed to be the original. See, all the chrome on the car is very, very nice. I believe the front bumper has been re-chromed. The car's real straight, flat down the sides. Got a nice set of billet specialty wheels on it. All the lower rocker trim, wheel well trim is all in excellent shape. A little bit of patina there on the tail panel molding, but it's very, very nice. All the panel fitments real nice on the car. It's got all its original body panels and floors. Very, very clean car. I got the car from a gentleman that's had it for many, many years. Just hadn't drove it much in the last couple of years, so he decided to let it go. It was 81 years old. This car is loaded with options. It's got the original 300 in it. It's got the Buick factory aluminum intake on it. He did an Edelbrock carb. It's got your power brakes, power steering, got air conditioning, the heavy duty cooling system. I tell you, I really, really like the burgundy color interior in it. You can see the jams are all real nice. All the interior in the car appears to be the original. Excellent condition. It's got power windows. It's got tilt wheel, power top, AM, FM. It's got the factory tack in the console, sport wheel. Power top. You'll see in the pictures the top and everything's very, very nice. All the interior in this car is excellent shape. Very nice. Got a nice dual exhaust on it also. It's got the factory spare jack, everything is here. It's got the optional trunk light. Trunk floor all looks really nice in the car. Tell you, it's just a very, very nice car. I've put probably 60 or 70 miles on this car myself. Car drives and runs great. Goes down the road very nice. Go ahead and fire it up. Tell you, the motor runs sweet, nice and smooth. Very nice car, guys. Sounds good out the exhaust. Backup lights, everything working. Does have one backup light bulb out, it looks like. Tell you, super nice car. Real solid. You can check out our complete inventory at rosscustomsmi.com. Have a great day, folks.